Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video, or first, maybe my only video, who knows. Right guys, so this is the Audi S3 8P. This is the one with a bit of bird poo on the bonnet, but here you go. So bits and bobs that we've done. So as you can see, gloss black low diffuser, RS grille. Exterior wise, it's got the RS3 8V rotors. Apologies, the car is dirty at the moment. Wind deflectors, the roof rails. Roof rails didn't come on the car when we got it. And then to go with the roof rails, we've done the Maxon design spoiler extension as well. So we've done that one. Following around with the gloss black, we've done the lower diffuser also in gloss black, shortened plates. These are mil technies. Usually they are when they're clean enough. Aside from that, yeah, that's the current car. It's on the rotors are 19s. We're running 235 tires. So they're 235, 35, 19. And yeah man, that's the car at the moment. Oh, the most recent thing that we've done. So I didn't do a video on it because, well, there's a few reasons, which I'll explain later on. But black headliner. Sorry, let me open both the doors. All my stuff in the back. We've done the black headliner, as you'll see in the video. It's also down in the front as well. So, you know, just gotta get rid of this. And yeah, interior wise, I did the RS4 start button. So this is, let me turn the ignition on. 1 second, I'll show you. 1 second. So as you can see, so it illuminates on light. Remove these. This is also flippable. Woo. Woo. But yeah, so that's that. And then this works, you literally have to flick the key and hold down the clutch, and here we are. Don't mind the EML. Your boy needs to get another map after he added the decap. The aux door here as well. Obviously the aux doesn't usually go here, so I relocated that. Glossy RNS, so that was normal, that came with the car, and PDCs front and back, decent. Other bits and bobs that it has auto lights, auto wipers, so they're, you know, wipey wipe automatically. Cruise control, you can probably see it there, cruisy cruise. Hopefully we do some more bits and bobs, or I do some more bits and bobs, and I can take you guys along for the ride and we'll do something interesting. Let me know what you want in terms of what, you know, if there's anything that you guys want to see or do. Oh, engine bay, I didn't do engine bay, did I? Yeah, let me do that. Problem with these is some of them, I think it's the 3 doors though mainly, is that, you know, if you shut the door, sometimes auto locks. Engine bay looks fairly pedestrian. Obviously you can see the ram air, oversized ram air that goes around to the back. And that's chicky. And we've turned the ram air, the logo onto the other side so you can't see it, keep it a bit stealthy in case, you know, you get a problem with the FUDs. And we cut this original airbox, sorry, engine cover and airbox down, so we cut it so it can fit, just give it some more protection and stuff. Let me close this because it's way loud. But yeah, so we cut that just so, you know, you can it just looks more OEM, right? So the TFSI engine in general looks quite ugly in my opinion. It looks kind of butters. So yeah. And I've just taken the completely wrong way to where I'm going because this is the first time I'm trying to do a video. But yeah, so we'll go through it. At the moment, what am I doing? I'm going to take this to my local garage, my main mechanic, and have a look at there's a knock on the front when I'm slowing down or harsh braking or reversing or turning corners, on the driver's side front, right side front, depending on, you know, left hand drive, right, whichever one, the right side front. So we're going to get that looked at. It could be a track rod, it could be a top mount, it could be a few different things. Don't think it's going to be the shock or the spring, because the car's got Bilstein shocks and springs, B14, was it B7? I think it might be B7, B8. You guys probably be able to tell me. It's the shock and spring variant, not the coilovers. So maybe you guys probably know better than I do. We're gonna find out what it is and order any parts that we need to, or unless it can just be repaired itself, just be fixed. And yeah, man. Video of the rock. That seems to be what the problem was. Wheel bearing time. Yeah, so it was a wheel bearing that was a problem. That was causing the knock that I was facing. So yeah, not a problem. We'll get a wheel bearing ordered, get it sorted, and get it fitted from the garage. Right guys, pretty much an issue. That's it. I mean, it's interesting. What I was going to ask you guys is, I'm using to record at the moment, I'm using a GoPro Hero 7 Black, and it's good in terms of the camera and stuff, but the microphone doesn't seem to be too good. So I was wondering what you guys use, or if you have any recommendations on the best setup for a microphone for this, or if you, I have a Canon 4000 or 400D DSLR as well, but you know, you'd have to get a mic and set that up as well. So I was wondering what you guys use, if you guys make videos or if you do anything in general. Yeah, just hit me up and let me know. If you guys enjoyed the content, then like, comment, subscribe, and let's get this vlog or YouTube channel off the ground. Let's make something happen. Wicked. Thank you very much. Bye.